Hi, I'm Dr. Tara Foster, acupuncturist and herbalist, and I wanted to talk to you about type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is diagnosed when your A1C levels are above 6.5. When you have A1C levels between 5.7 and 6.5, you are diagnosed as pre-diabetic. Metformin is the #1 prescribed drug in the United States, and type 2 diabetes is up there in the top of most diagnosed disorders in the United States. You let type 2 diabetes go unmanaged, you can end up with peripheral neuropathy, you can end up having to get your feet amputated, you can go blind. Diabetes is not always because you only eat sugar. There's plenty of people who aren't sugar addicts who have a type 2 diabetes or a pre-diabetic diagnosis, and for these people I recommend really looking at your diet. If you're living off of carbohydrates and you're not a professional athlete or training for a marathon or something like that, there's just no need to have all those carbohydrates. Not necessary for our sedentary 9-to-5 desk job people, which is the majority of the population of the United States. I want you to be focusing on your protein goals. I want you to be getting like at least 80 grams of protein a day. I really like to have people who are sugar addicts to be eating roasted carrots. Roasted carrots help to regulate your blood sugar. To eat nuts, choose to eat vegetables and fat, anything like that. These are going to sustain you and they're going to keep you away from having sugar cravings. In my experience, it takes about 6 months to get off sugar with these dietary changes, but they tend to be long lasting. I'm going to just also talk about soda. Definitely don't drink soda. Pizza also really spikes your blood sugar. So when you're thinking about sugars, I want you to be thinking about carbohydrates. So all grains, even if you're gluten-free, your gluten-free grains. I have had patients be wearing their you can get these blood sugar monitors. I had patients with their blood sugar monitors tell me that immediately after their acupuncture session, their blood sugar dropped. Please reach out to me. I do telehealth all over the world and country, and I'm happy to work with you on your diet and supplements and with herbs. Have a nice day.